Hi guys, welcome back to Lancaster Automart. Today we've got this 2017 Toyota Yaris XL. It's a 1.5 petrol hybrid finished in blue streak metallic paint. Just going to be giving you a really quick walk around video, showing you the car from a couple of different angles and pointing out some features as we go around it. So to start off with, we've got the LED daytime running lights along with the projector headlights. We've also got the nice looking black grille along with front fog lights and parking sensors as well. For the wheels, we've got 15-inch 8 double spoke diamond cut grey alloy wheels, which are all in great condition. We've got the body coloured door mirrors and door handles on here as well as rear tinted glass. This car has only had 2 former keepers, and we do have a full Toyota service history as well. Got the LED tail lights on the back along with rear fog lights, rear parking sensors and a reversing camera. Of course, this car does come with a 6-month warranty as standard, with the option to upgrade that to a 1 or 2 year policy at an additional cost, and the car will also go through the full mechanical prep process by our Volkswagen approved mechanics. On here we've also got the pre-collision system along with the Toyota safety sense. So you've got all your safety features on here as well, such as lane departure warning assist, speed assist, things like that. On the interior we've got the half leather, half cloth black interior with the white stitching. That continues straight into the back, and we've got ISOFIX points at the bottom of both rear seats as well. Got the black door cards along with the black dash. You've got your 4.2-inch colour infotainment system, and on here you've got options such as DAB, FM and AM radio. We've also got Bluetooth connection for your phone, music and calls, which you can also access on the screen once your phone is connected. And then you do also have navigation built into the screen. So that's always a handy feature to have. Moving on down, you've got your dual zone climate control options just there, along with some connectivity points and cup holders. You've got your automatic transmission just there, as this is a petrol hybrid, along with your handbrake. You've got your options for full EV mode and eco just there. Now onto the dash. As you can see, the car's covered 36,806 miles. Got the leather wrapped multifunctional steering wheel as well, and you've got your audio and volume controls on the left alongside your digital trip computer controls on the right, which you can use to show various bits of information on the dash. We've also got the automatic headlights on that stalk, along with your automatic rain sensing windscreen wipers and adaptive cruise control. We've got electronically adjustable door mirrors as well as electric windows all round in here as well. And then you do have your options for your automatic lights. You've also got your auto high beam assist, lane departure warning, and your Toyota sensing just there. That's just a quick walk around this lovely 2017 Toyota Yaris XL. To make a great car for someone, it's very economical, very cheap to run, very cheap to insure. You get 70.6 miles per gallon combined, so really good on fuel. And I'm sure this one won't be around for too long. So if you would like any more info, feel free to give us a call. You can give us a call on the number below, or you can message us on our Facebook page, Lancaster Automart, and one of our sales team will be more than happy to provide you with any more info that you might need. And that's all for this one. Thank you very much. Bye for now.